Well, leadership for me is someone who's got a clear vision and focus, someone who's honest and has got integrity in himself, and most importantly, somebody who is humble. A great leader would be someone who takes his people along with him, would like to see them being successful, and someone who is not afraid of hiring somebody who's even smarter than him. Or to reach that place as a good leader, you need to engage with your people. You need to ensure that they have a proper work-life balance, and you keep patting them for all the accomplishments that they achieve over a period of time, and you do it time and again. So training teaches you a skill set, while a development program helps you enhance these skill sets that you already possess. We lay a lot of importance and stress on training and development, and this is a must because we need to keep our employees trained to meet the growing demands of our customers. And we have a lot of training that we do in-house, right from teaching our new employees the basic skill sets that they need, enhancement of the skill sets that they possess to reach up the ladder in their career growth. A lot of soft skill programs that we do, HIPAA trainings. There are these various laws which are applicable to equity. So we do a lot of training for our employees with regards to the security of patient health information. There are a lot of statutes which have to be complied with regards to the laws of the country for which we do our business. And these trainings are to be undergone not only by the employees who are into production, but right from the CEO until the lowest denominator in the organization. We have to undergo these trainings, and it is mandatory. Our human resource is the most valuable asset of our company, and it is all about human beings that we need to run this organization. That is one factor. The other is being competitive on the cost. The growing demand to be cost effective, which comes from our customers, makes it necessary for us to give a lot of stress on being able to provide our customers better financial results in terms of ensuring that the cheapest prices for the services that we are rendering. Now, to do all this, it is not that easy to be successful doing all of this services in the US. And definitely the best destination where we will look for resources is India, because we've been present in India for the last 20 plus years. Our most valuable asset is our human resource. For us to be successful, we need the right kind of people with us, and we need to be cost effective. Else this work would have been done in the US itself. So it's not possible to get that cost effectiveness doing all the work in the US, and we have to look for other markets where we can get good resources who are able to communicate well and who have good English speaking skills. And obviously since we have been in India for the last 20 years, we know the pulse well of this country, and there's abundant resources in the form of people with these type of skill sets here in India. With our growth story all set in the areas of coding and scribing, we have a lot of opportunities, a lot of jobs that are going to open up for these two verticals within the organization. And I feel India is one of the best destinations where we can find the right skill sets, and it's a tried and tested thing that we have already done in the past. We've been successful because our human resource, our employees here are able to provide not even the same. The quality that we give here in India is much more than what is actually produced in the US, and we've been acknowledged on that fact for quite some time now.